Hey fam! So if you've watched any of my videos before, you've probably heard me talk about how important it is to have quality keyword phrases tied into your Etsy SEO, which is your search engine optimization. Without good SEO, your listings are never going to be found in the pages upon pages of the Etsy search results. But the big question is, how do we know? How do we find good keyword phrases and search terms that are proven with the Etsy algorithm? There are several Etsy SEO tools out there, but I personally use Sales Samurai. Now, you may have already seen my in-depth tutorial video on Sales Samurai, but the reason I'm here today is to let you know if you've been on the fence about trying Sales Samurai, they're having an amazing Black Friday special, so it's going to be super discounted, and now is a great time, if you've been thinking about it, to hop in and try it out because you'll get the discounted rate locked in for the life of your subscription. So for anyone who maybe has never heard of Sales Samurai or you're not super familiar with it, I'm going to go through quickly in just a minute and show you some of their features, but I'm going to go ahead and give the details of the discount real quick for those of you that already know you want to give it a try. So normally the monthly subscription to Sales Samurai is $9.99, but with the Black Friday special, if you sign up now, it's now through November 30th, you can get 6 months for $39.99, which equals out to being about $6.66 a month instead of $9.99. The great thing, like I mentioned before, is that you get that discounted rate locked in for life. That really adds up over time and will save you a lot on an investment for growing your business. So if you already know you want to sign up, you can go ahead and click the link in the description box below. There's no coupon code required. The discount will automatically be there. Now, this is an exclusive discount, so it's not going to be shown on the main Sales Samurai page. You have to actually click the specific link in the description box below. So now I'm just going to quickly show you the amazing features that Sales Samurai offers. So my point here today is not to give a full in-depth tutorial. I already have one of those in a different video if you want to see that. I'll link it down below. But my purpose is just to give you a quick overview in case you're not familiar, to show you quickly what Sales Samurai can do so you can see if it might be a tool that could really help you. Okay, so here we are on Sales Samurai, and I'm just going to quickly show you what they have to offer so you get an idea of the features. So the first thing I want to touch on that I really love is this Chrome extension. So when you download the Chrome extension with Sales Samurai, you can go to Etsy, and when you search for something, it will automatically show you next to that search term, whatever you're looking for, these blue numbers, which are the monthly search volume for that term. So when we're doing our product research and keyword research, we want to find search terms that we can validate, and we can say, yes, these actually are being searched a good number of times per month on Etsy. So we can get an idea of that here with the Chrome extension. And then we can also click over here, these blue numbers, we can click to see more. And that takes us to a page where we can compare a lot of different search terms that may be related but might be kind of different, to give us ideas of things that maybe we hadn't thought of before. You can see over here the search volume per month, the competition, which is how many shops have listings with that exact search term that are being used, and the number of words in the phrase. So what I love about this Chrome extension page is that you can filter by search volume. You can put from and to. So if you want to have at least a certain number, if we want to have at least, let's say 500 search volume per month, and then also competition, we want to limit the competition to maybe 500 per month. So if we filter, we can see which keyword phrases fit within those specifications if we're looking for specific numbers on both of those. So if we hop back over to Sales Samurai, we can see what else they have offered on the website. So the first thing is these tutorials. I love that they have easy videos that you can watch. They're quick, they're easy to understand for all the different features. So if you're confused how to use something, you can come here to the tutorial section, and this will give you a great idea for how exactly to use each thing if you're a complete beginner. Now, if we go to search, this is where we can do the bulk of our keyword research. So if we want to type in a search term that we're thinking of using, it will give us information on that term. Okay, so it has tons of information. I'm not going to go over all of this today, but I do want to point out that it tells you if it's a long tail keyword or not. We always want to shoot for long tail keywords. Those are more specific words that can break through the competition easier. All right, then it has monthly search volume. This is the amount of times that specific phrase is searched for on Etsy per month. So we want this to be relatively high if possible. That validates our product idea and the search term, telling us that would be a great keyword phrase to use. If it's low search volume, then it might not be searched very much, and it might not be a great term to use. Now, also we look at the competition. This tells us how many shops have listings with that specific keyword phrase, and we want the competition to be as low as possible even though that's hard on Etsy sometimes, but we want it to be as low as possible because we'll have a better chance of breaking through all of the noise in the different shops. Over here, it'll give you ideas for different related tags that you can use. And then down here, it'll show you the top actual listings on Etsy that are the most successfully using that specific search term. So you can browse through the successful listings to get data and information from them, like what price they have, what type of listing it is, what type of product it is, the shipping days, how many photos they have on their listing, how many average views and likes, and then you can click to see more details. So I love this because it's always helpful to compare with other shops that are offering similar products to see what you could do differently and to see what's working for them. Now, if we go to shops, I'm not going to go here, but this is where you can link your own shop to get very similar data. This will show you a lot of data on what's working for your shop, what you can improve on, and all of that. So this is a great place to get data on your own shop and be able to improve from there. This is the listing creator, so you can actually go through and create a listing straight from Sales Samurai and upload it to your Etsy shop. This is the competition tracker. I love this. These are some shops that I used for examples in my full in-depth tutorial. And again, if you want to see that full video, I'll link it in the description box below. But this is where you can come and add different Etsy shops that are competitors to kind of keep track on what they're doing. And you can see what's working for them to take clues from their success. Again, we don't ever want to copy people, but we can definitely take clues from success to see what's working and what we can do in our own way and put our own twist on it to make things work for us. All right, I'm going to jump down here to calculator. This is one of my favorite features of Sales Samurai. This is a profit calculator and a return on investment calculator. So for the profit calculator, if you're just not sure what you need to price your listing at to make the profit you want, this has everything built in, even the fees and taxes. So you can see if I price something at a certain price, and then these are my material costs with the fees and taxes, how much profit would I make? But you can just play around with this. So you can see at the end of the day, well, I want to make this amount of profit so I can pay myself this certain amount. You could just kind of play around with it and see what price would work best for your listing. And the last thing I want to touch on here is the calendar. This has holidays and special dates on it, so you won't forget anything that's coming up that you might need to think of marketing wise for the United States, UK, Germany, and also the green ones are unofficial holidays. So this is a great place to look if you're just not sure what's coming up or you need ideas for holiday themed or gifting themed items. You can come here to the calendar and it gives you all of the different holidays coming up. Sales Samurai also features an uploader. This is for anyone that offers print on demand products. Again, I'm not going to go into this fully right now. This is covered in my in-depth video that's linked below, but this is an awesome feature as well for uploading print on demand listings. So there's really so much that comes with Sales Samurai. If you haven't tried it before, I would highly suggest you go and grab that deal to lock it in while you can. There's just so much that you can do on Sales Samurai to help your business grow. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite feature of Sales Samurai and are you going to try it? Remember, the special is today through November 30th and it's 6 months for $39.99. Just click the link in the description box below and I know you're going to love it.